Hello! We're back with another product. Today we have a very affordable, convenient, and easy to install screen door. So what we're going to do first is we're going to spread the screen door flat on the ground with the Velcro side up. There's two ways of installing this screen. You can either use the thumbtacks that they provide you with, or you can use the hook and loop Velcro. Okay, we're going to be installing with the hook and loop. So first what we want to do is we want to attach this to the top of the screen door. And you will notice that the top has a curve to it as opposed to the bottom is nice and straight. Once we do that, we want to do both sides. Make sure that you push firmly and be sure not to remove the white backing paper. After that, we could go ahead and do the bottom of our screen door. Once we have all of our Velcro attached, we could go ahead and clean our door frame. Now we're ready to detach the backing paper from the top of the screen door. And if you remember me saying before, the top has a curve to it, so we want to be sure that we take the middle of that door and kind of keep it up higher than the two corners. Then we could take the paper off the side, stick that, and when you're sticking, you want to be sure to push firmly and just hold it on for a few seconds until it sticks. And then we could go ahead, do the other side. And we could attach the bottom. What's great about this door is it can go in or out, so you can move through it hands-free. There's zipper access from inside and outside, and it's pet friendly. You can still keep the bugs out, but let your pet come in and out. If you can't replace your screen door, this is a very affordable way to do it.